Welcome friends, let's learn how to change the backdrop. And here I'm going to change the backdrop whenever the sprite is clicked. So let me choose a sprite. Let's have a story. I'm going to go to fantasy, and from the fantasy I'm going to select Giga and Pico. So Giga and Pico are in a space, and when I press on the Giga, it will say Pico. Let's go to the spaceship. So here I'm going to select two backdrop. The first one is, let's say, by default, let's say moon. Let me select one more backdrop. Let's say they were somewhere in the galaxy. So this is our story. Giga and Pico are in a galaxy. When I click on a Giga sprite, the Giga will say, okay, let's move to the spaceship. For this, let me move to the events when click. So when I click on a Giga will speak something and will move to the spaceship with Pico. So by default, you can make a drag and drop of switch backdrop to galaxy. So by default, we are having a backdrop of a galaxy. And now you can use say. So here, when you click on it, the Giga will say something to Pico. Let's say it will say, Pico, let's go to the spaceship. Now, when I click on it, it will say something, and Pico and Giga will move to the spaceship. So we have a galaxy as a backdrop when we run it. Now I change the backdrop to the spaceship. So once again, I will take switch backdrop to spaceship. We are not having a spaceship. This means we need to add one more backdrop. So how we can do this? You can go to the backdrop section, and from here select space and select the spaceship. Now what happened? Just change the switch backdrop to spaceship. So when I click on it, this is what is going to be happen. When I click, by default we will have a galaxy. Giga will say something, and they both move to the spaceship. This is how you can use the backdrop. Try it out, my friend.